Hey guys, how y'all doing? We're gonna make some real simple, easy, oven fried chicken drumsticks, and they're gonna be mighty fine, I tell you. So let's get started. So all we're gonna do, you go ahead and rinse your chicken off, do whatever you need to do, and we're gonna add in about a teaspoon of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Also, I'm gonna add in some this smoked sweet paprika, just a little bit. I'm gonna add in a little bit more pepper because I want a little more pepper. You just got to be the judge of your seasoning. We're just gonna take our hands and just get it mixed up really good. Get all them seasonings incorporated on the chicken real good. Got it mixed up good. Now I'll set this to the side. This little pan right here, I've got about a cup of flour, all-purpose flour, and this right here is cornstarch. This is about a third of a cup of cornstarch. I'm gonna throw that in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a little seasoning in it. A little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of salt, also a little bit of pepper, some black pepper. Throw that in there. Open that big end there and just be easy with it. There we go. Black pepper. And we're just gonna mix it up real good. Just take each piece of chicken, coat it in the flour, just like that. Get it nice, good, and coat it. And we'll shake it off. Now I got a pan with one of these racks on it. Just gonna lay each piece of chicken on the rack. Now I'm gonna take some cooking oil, use any kind of cooking oil you want, and just give it a light spray on each side. Just like that. And we'll turn it over. We're going to spray the other side. Try to get it all coated. Oven is preheated at 400 degrees, so we're going to throw it in the oven and let it bake. Okay, y'all, so an hour later we have some nice looking oven fried chicken, and I flipped it halfway through, and you can see it's nice and crispy. Now your cooking time may vary a little bit, just depends. You know, you just want to cook it until it gets nice golden brown and crispy. So let's give it a try. I'm gonna eat mine with this Tiger hot sauce. Man, this stuff right here is good. Rawr. Tiger sauce, pour a little Tiger sauce on it. Pour a little sauce on it. Oh yeah. Now let's give it a bite. Woo! That right there sure is mighty fine. You might want to let it cool down a little bit because, woo! Man, that stuff is hot. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. It's just some simple, easy oven fried chicken. And a good old doctor enough. Cheers, and thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.